All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to me. Welcome. It's been a crazy weekend. I've uh it's been a crazy weekend to be honest. But I'm not gonna say uh because of it's a crazy weekend, I'm not going to come. That's a lie. That's a lie. That is a blatant lie. Whether I had or that I did over the weekend, it's not gonna affect what we're going to have this week. I believe you can hear me, right? If you can hear me, give me one, one in the chat. If you can hear me, give me one in the chat. 1 in the chat. Let's go, guys. Can you hear me? One, one in the chat if you're there. All right. Thank you, Timmy. Thank you. Thank you. Let me use another mic and check if you guys can hear me. Like I said, all right, thank you, Timmy. Thank you. Thank you. Let me use another mic and check if you guys can. Okay, we are good. We are good. We are good. We are good. Why am I not seeing the one here? I'm just seeing it on the other chart. I'm not seeing it on the main StreamYard chart. Anyway, so did you see what we analyzed on Friday night? So I believe you can hear me now. I believe you can hear me now. So I believe you can hear me now. Fine. Can hear myself. So we are good. On Friday, we talked about this guy. To be honest, we talked about it, but then I'm not gonna start with it. I'm not gonna start with it. Of course, I don't want to say, hey, counselor said, but I'm not gonna jump around it. But to be honest, that's giving you a decent 1:1 already from market open. Because I remember I said this is a low pro trade, and I explained why. But then let's go back to the main cocoa of the gist. Let's go back to the main from the beginning. You know, in the beginning, God. So let's start from the top. let's don't run, let's don't go ahead of ourselves and then start. This chat, when you feel like you are proud, it will it will put you in your place. Once you exude the nature of a proud person in trading, it's going to humble you real quick. Like, it doesn't even waste time to humble you. That's the reason why when you say, I want to I want to go hard or go home in a pair, you want to go hard or go home, boom, it will humble you immediately. When you say, watch me do 1,000 to $1 million, I'll publicize the results, I will show you guys everything, boom, you blow the account. Once you, like I told you guys every time, trading is your life in retrospect. Trading is your life in retrospect. So what do? In as much as you know what you're doing, you're a good trader, you trade very well, you make money from the chart, bro, don't rub it on people's faces. Don't go and tell trading that, oh, you are now a baby, I can now do it. Don't go, if you want to run a signal channel, run it because you want to. Don't go and run it because you are now the best in the game. Don't announce yourself to be the highest. That is when your failure will start. Because I started trading for a while and I was saying boldly, I haven't taken 3 losses in a row. I've not done this in a row. I've not done that. I've not done that. Let me tell you, those conversations, I started having my losses. And you would think that it is market being against you. It's not market being against you. It's you being against you. It is you being against you. Because now you want to prove to people that you can't take 3 losses in a row. You want to prove to people that you are the best trader in the world. You want to prove a point. And once you start proving a point, you now start looking for things where they are not. You now start finding things that are not even supposed to be there at the first place. That is why I always say this. You are a trader first. But then, once something works out for you, make sure you keep it to yourself. Even God self resists the proud. Even God that created us, he resists the proud. So why will you now be proud that you did this, you did that, you are now the baddest trader in the game, you are now this? Who made you the baddest trader in the game? I understand you're a good trader, but once you start putting yourself at the alpha and omega, that same system will humiliate you in a way that you will never believe it. It will so humiliate you that you'll be questioning yourself, what did I really do wrong? Who did I offend? Because counselor would always say that I can't take 3 losses in a row in the last minutes of me trading, blah 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 blah. And as that might be true, as true that is, I haven't. But then, having said that, it started coming. It started coming, and I had to shut down my. That any moment that I didn't make 15%, we will roll over. And that May, I lost 9.5%. The next May, the next June, we recovered. July, we did well till we stopped. So that's why I said I'm not going to be doing it again. So That is it. That is it. So let's go. So the reason why I came late today is because I've been up all night. I didn't sleep one bit, and I told my people to wake me up around in 1 hour time. I slept around 7 a.m. and I'm expected to wake up around 8. I'm not a human being, so I tried my best, but it didn't work. But then we're here. So this is straight up to the topic. Good morning, guys. If you're on the chat, Big Sis, good morning, my bro. Good, I say my bro. Good morning, sis. Good morning, Emmy. Good morning. If you want to come up, send your request and come up. So let's go. We're already behind schedule. It's already 9:22, so I don't want to waste people's time. So last week we talked about how this guy is gonna come from this FVG and then start buying, but then it hasn't done that. Rather, it's selling. So now we're looking for what are we going to sell with? What is that imbalance here that we can sell with? I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything. So this one is off, remove, of course. And then where can I sell with? Because this place, there's no FVG here. This place was covered. But then there's an FVG here. From here to here. You can see that, right? So there's an FVG there. But then you don't expect price to just come back. This is a pure liquidity here that will be swept. Pure is very, very clean. Very, very clean. So it should be swept and then price can come out. But then I'm not going to take here as my POI. Here is going to be my POI. Here. Here is better. Because from this place will be the liquidity and whatever. From here, price can even come from this place. And then cover it like this. Yes, is my stop loss right here. This is anyhow trade, but I will score the trade from 1 to from here. It says, oh shoot, it's not even 3 hour yet, so I can't take it. I'll put it somewhere here. 3 hour at least. Here is better. Yes, here is better. So before I open up the trade, I'll find out the ones that are high probability trades, high pro trades, high probability trades, the ones that will make us more money. It's not about the one that felt like is the best trade to take. No, I'm taking trades that resonates with me, not for taking sake, but trades that will make everybody money. You get. So having said that, this is for USD CAD. So the next pair on our watch list is GBP USD. If you remember, the past weeks, it has been giving us back-to-back stop loss. But we've taken this amazing 7 risk to reward, 7%, and then this 3% here. And when price go to this point, remember, when you have a bias, stick to your bias. Why am I trying to sell from this place and then sell from here again, having known that this trend has already changed to bullish? So for the fact that I don't clear all of us, but now it has cleared all these highs. It has cleared all these highs, all of them. So where am I going to now? I'm looking for buys to continue to this place. Remember our bias last month? It was for this buy. But the buy did not complete. Like I told you guys, GBP USD will be doing like one bastard like that. Today is this, the next day is that. So for me now, how do I make it make sense? By just sticking to the market structure and playing along with it. You can see this place now is bearish, of course. Look at it. Break of structure to the downside, and then came back, took out the break of structure. That caused the break of structure. So it's just doing anyhow. Look at the price action. It's not really clean. It's not really clean. But let's look out. Let's find something that we can work with. So we can just take the trade and then make some band. But then if there is no trade, we'll leave it. But to be honest, break of structure here. This one is touching already, no. So for me, it's just here. It's just there. And yes, to this place. 1:3 is fine. because if I say it's going to this place, just direct, that would be me. That would be me reaching, right? And that would be me reaching, but I can't. But then that's taking this high out already, so we are good. So the next target for the high to be taken out is actually this high, this one here, this one here. So now your take profit should be target 1 is here, and then target 2 is here. So let's see how that goes. Let's see how that go. Come in here, come in. Good. No, come back here. Better. Good. So we're good to go. This is for GBP USD. So the next one we have on the watch list is hope you can hear me, Timmy. Hope you can hear me. So the next one I have on the chart is USD JPY. This TP has refused to hit. This TP has refused to hit. This high has refused to be taken out. This high has refused to be taken out. But what do I have to do? Nothing. I'm not going to change my bias. I'm not going to do anything. Rather, take this one, close it in here, and then look for another setup here. Looking down, another setup is here. One is to 3. Thank God, he completed the circle. So this one has been closed because we closed it last week, of course. So for the fact it's been dancing around this place, dancing around this place, dancing around this place. So if he comes back, we can buy from here. But then if I go down to 1 hour time frame, 1 hour or ish, it's come a bit lower. And then it should be somewhere around. This is not break structure now. Okay, broke structure. It is in break structure. Yes, yes. Liquidity POI. So this one is on the liquidity. POI somewhere around here. So come back. Okay. Like I said, you see, so they have tapped here already. So the POI is already messed up. So you cannot go there again. This one is already tapping here. Like they've all mitigated themselves. So I can't do anything. I just have to use this one. This one is the broader view of the structure. So the fourth one, GBP card. The fourth one, GBP card. This is hope you're good. Whoa, this thing triggered like hell. I don't know. This one is confusing me like mad. This pair is confusing me like mad. It's not going up, it's not going down. So I am pretty sure sitting on my hands this time around till this guy has been broken. I am pretty sure sitting on my hands this time around till this guy is broken. I'm not gonna spoil my record because I'm trying to chase something that is not even giving me anything. So what I'm gonna do is this: if it breaks below here with a body, so I'll continue selling to this point. But if it didn't, I'm gonna hold it. Break this one, break this thing with a body, break it like this and conclude with body. You can sell to this place. I cannot buy. I cannot because look at it's bearish. So I can't do anything right now. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. I can do nothing. So welcome back to gold. Finally, last week we took lots of trades on gold. The main one, which hit CP, the main one, and then the intra trades, and all of them hit those targets. and then this last one now. But remember, I was telling you that I'll be more interested in the cell when this guy takes out this place and closes it below. For example, this needs TP and closes below like this, closing below like this, the black candle closing below like this. I'll be so happy, so really, really happy. Like this, close below. Then it will make sense. But if you're doing all this thing with weeks, all these weeks are nonsense. Don't let them trick you. These weeks, they will trick you. For example, look at, are you seeing it? Did you see? No one broke. No one broke and stayed down. No one. They'll break and go up. They'll break and go up. But no one broke and stayed down. So I wanted to break and stay down like this to cover all these ones here. So that is why I use the line chart and then the bar chart. Look at it. This is the line chart. This is where the volumes are. These are where the volumes are in the real time. Without these volumes, nothing. You're just doing anything for yourself. You're just trying to play hard to get. And when they get you, you will cry. And when you cry, you don't blame Cancelo inside because it's not me. It is you. It is you. So having said that, we're still going to look at how this one will play out because I got it from the 1 hour time frame. Is it 1 hour, 2 hour? Okay, it's 1 hour, 2 hour time frame. I got it there, and then it has done 1 hour. I went back to entry, and now it's dumping. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So from these setups in silver, this trade pissed me the hell off. This trade pissed me off. Everything was on check. Everything was on. But then the guy tap. Look at the alarm. I set him. You don't just tap. Look at just look at. Just look at. See the alarm. See where the guy stopped. Just few peeps from here to here. Let's 3 bars. Three bars. For crying out loud. The guy left me behind. So no worries. So no need. I'm moving this one self because nobody will come and leave this thing like this. I'm deleting it because that's passed. I've hit CP already. So why will I be leaving the trade? So, and are you seeing? Thank you. Thank you. Are you seeing how this guy? Are you seeing how this guy closed up below? Are you seeing it? Look at the wick. Look at the wick. Did you see? It closed below. So it is still super bearish. So now let me look for where I'll sell from. It is super bearish. Break. I'll have to do it from this extreme. I'll do it from this extreme. But this extreme. This one is better, safe. Not even that extreme. This one is better. But I'm not dropping this trade though. I'll put this stop loss somewhere here. So let's look where this one is running to. Let's look where it's running to. Because now I'm taking this one out. So let's look where it's running to. It's running to approximately somewhere here. It's running to somewhere here. But then there's this small thing here. So it's running to somewhere here. So go back to 4 hours. Delete. Not delete though. So no need. I'm not going to delete it. I'm going to leave it like this. Sure. So this one. So the it should be somewhere run to this place. Yeah. So this is how it's going to be. Of course, this is going to be. But I would like it to be somewhere here. But let's see. I won't drop these things in the chat though. I will not drop it in the chat. I won't drop it. I won't drop it. I'll just look at it. I'll look at it. I'll put alarm around these entries. So once they peak, I'll not check how they react, and then I'll drop the entries. I'll check how they react, and then I'll drop the entries, because I cannot sell aggressively from there and then expect it to just run down. What if it comes back to this place and comes here to tap again? Come to this place to tap. So that's where they have inefficiencies. Or whether I want to sell from this fair value gap here, sorry, from this breaker block here. I don't know, but then let's just keep watching. This one is much better than the other one. So let's analyze the pairs, these pairs that we've seen here now. Okay, you can hear me. That's nice. These pairs that we have seen here now, let's now check out the ones that are high probability trades and the ones that are low. For me, this one is not one of the highs, so I'll be honest. I'll be honest. This one is not high pro trade. GBP USD. This one is much better. This one is much better. So I'm going to drop this one as the first trade of the week, the high pro trade of the week, because now it has cleared all this high. The only thing to do now is to go for this one. The ideal thing to do is to go for this one. But then let's follow the structure, and then whatever the market decides to do is now our business. Once we're following structure, any other thing the market wants to do is secondary. I don't really care. Any other thing is secondary. So this one is the first trade of the week. I'm going to drop this. And USD JPY. This is good also. This is good also. Second trade of the week. And nothing here. This one, this is it. So gold, USD JPY, and GBP USD. I'll drop this one when let me put alarm on them. When this one comes, when price comes to entry of this one, I'll drop it. Once price taps here, I'll look for entry and then I'll drop. Yeah. So that's it. GBP USD is fine. But then just for the fun of it, once they trigger, so let me know. So I have my alarm set on all of them. The reason being that this one, I need the extra confirmation for me to sell. This one, it's fine, but then there's no harm in having confirmations. This one is solid. I don't even need to set alarm on it. And then gold is already running. Let's see how it goes. Like I said, this is Monday. This thing just happened. It can just happen to fake you out. And look at it. It's been dancing around that entry for a minute. You tapped and then dumped, but it couldn't now dump finish. Started doing nonsense. Because the first one that tapped rejected. The second one went down. It did not break this low, because had it been this one, this black candle broke below this, TP has been hit. But it didn't. It didn't. And if this one now closes above this one, there's a problem in the kingdom. That one is candle formation, simple candle formation. Once candles are forming, it's simple. For example, look at trades we took. Look at trades we took. Let's use one example. This 4-hour candle closed below. The next one closed on inside. The third one closed inside. This one broke below, and then TP hit. So if the candles are forming and they're not following alignment, there's a problem. Look at this one. This initial one touched it, closed below. This one closed below. This one came back again. Once it went back to take out this high, stop loss have been taken. So for the fact that this one is not closed below this one, like this one's went, there's a problem in the kingdom. But then let's keep watching. Once this 4-hour candle closes above this one, we say grace. Once it closes above that, we say grace. So that is it for our analysis for the week. So next thing is, let's check out on the news we have for the week. There are lots of news for this week. This is the third week Is it third week? I'll be last week of July. No, it's not last week. This is the third week. I'll be third week of July. I'll be fourth week of July. This is the 20th. 20. This is the third week. Yes, I'm correct. This is third week of July. So let's take it on the economic calendar on what is going to happen this week. What is going to happen this week in on the market? What is going to happen this week on the market? Monday, 20th of July, 2026. CPI on card. And remember, we'll have one trade on card. CPI on card. And remember, we'll have one trade on card. There's no trade on it. We're good. We're good. We're good. There's no simple trade, no trade on card. No trade on card. So let me share the screen for the news data. I forgot to do it last time. Share the screen for the news data. I didn't do it last time, so yes, we're good. So on card, there's CPI medium, there's CPI trim, there's inflation rate, and then there's CPI, just like that. So on Monday, there's no news. On Tuesday, 21st of July, 2026, there is employment change rate on GBP. We have a trade on GBP USD, but then it's not the base currency, it's just the minor currency, it's just the other one. So we're cool. ADP employment change. This one is not really that strong. It's not going to do nothing on my chart. So we are good to go. On Wednesday, 22nd of July, 2026, there is no news. Thank God. On Thursday, there is news on AUD. We don't trade AUD, so we are good. Whoa, on card again. Oh, there's news on Thursday. Jobless claims at 13:45. That should be what? 1:45 p.m. Nigerian time. So look out your calendar around Thursday, 1 p.m. Be vigilant around initial jobless claims and then continuing jobless claims for July. So on Monday to Thursday to Wednesday, there's no news. But then from Thursday, there's news. And then on Friday, whoa, on homes, new home sales and everything. That one don't really make sense. Yeah, so we are cool. So that means from Monday to Thursday, we should look out for only on Thursdays for the economic calendar. Only on Thursday. On Monday, there's nothing. On Friday, there's nothing except on GBP. We don't really care about that. And then on Thursday, this is the news will happen on Thursday. Initial jobless claims and then continuing jobless claims for July around 13:30. That is 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time. 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time. Wednesday, nothing. Tuesday, nothing. And then today, nothing. So, and then we have all the trades for the day. I'm going to drop all of them. And then, like I always say, risk appropriately. Risk appropriately. Risk appropriately. 1% is fine. 2% is overreaching. 3% is madness. Especially a prop firm trader. Let me say it again. 0.5% is you being minimalistic. 1% is fine. 2% is you reaching. And then 3% is madness. Don't do that. Don't do that. I know you're a good trader. I know you are solid. I know you have money, but it's a prop account. I know you can afford to buy a new one, but it's a prop account. Once you have the money to buy new ones, go ahead and do whatever you want to do. But then, believe you me, your road to payout is going to be longer than someone that is just a new trader that knows how to do it better. It's very good for you to do something slowly and make money at the end of the day. One of my students it took him 2 months to get to pass phase one account. So like I always say, 1% is solid, 2% risk is you overreaching, 3% is madness. Because when you take two losses, risking 3%, you're down 6% already. And then you have 2% to go before you lose the account. And even if you take those two losses in a day, you've blown your account as per the what is it called again, daily drawdown. So make sure that your risk appetite is solid. It doesn't make you a bad trader. It doesn't make you a bad trader. So just I beg. I don't want people crying in my DMs telling me how they lost their account. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that. So, like I said again, 1% it is. Even if I tell you that this is A plus setup, this must play out. This. I'll never say that. But then, even if I say it one day, out of me being proud, right? Don't believe me. Still risk 1%. I beg. Don't believe me. It's just devil is trying to use me that day. Just believe. Just know that. So thank you guys for coming around. Like David will always say, see you at the top because the bottom is way, way, way too crowded. Have a productive week ahead and then see you on Friday for the review. Have a good day, guys. Bye.